Gandhi Chowk, the backward Bilan Rajan was doing the Atif Birwarkar gesture. You can say touching the neck or basically this is mainly done by these rascals. So I said to him, designer, the Bilan rider did not do the things, but the first one was looking at myself quite a number of times. I will kill you now. I again repeat to anybody, means everybody who's good outside the syndicate and not influenced by the syndicate, do not do any gestures. Even do not tell me. It's a simple thing that huge number of prostitutes have been slapped on myself all these years, starting from 1993, gaining momentum since 2006 end. And in Badlapur, last 7 years, including 1 year in Nala Sopara, 15 high-profile females have been hacked, and they dished me. A syndicate envelops them as their well-wishers, specifically from Law Enforcement and Armed Forces Department. Prostitutes, 20 dished me. Totally forced thing that they behave with the syndicate. In case of 2, I fell into a trap and did have something with them. Rest, either I know them by identity, might remember them, might not remember them. And the basic part of this rest are those females whom I even do not know who they are. Say the prostitute Akanksha Jain, I could get her, I think 3rd or 4th coalition in Badlapur. One was in Dombivli, as I remember it. One was in Dombivli, one was in B-Wing left, Vardhaman Heights, rest 2 I do not remember. One was in, and even I don't know whether her name is Akanksha or not. So, this I say I know by identity. Manusha Dubey, A-Wing, I know by identity. Even I do not know her name. Many of these females are unknown, slapped on myself, whom I have met somewhere or the other. And that is the strategy of the syndicate since 1993. Fake investigator, fake well-wishers, employs personal cases, as stated by Shri Narendra Modi. He was fooled to say all these things. Don't forget this thing. And what these fake investigators, fake well-wishers do, whether from the syndicate or influenced by the syndicate, they go do something and say, no, they are not related to Mumbai 10/2006, so they are having personal cases. And then they are put again into my protection from Blasio 6 syndicate. This is general cycle of fake investigation and fake well-wisher board. 60 gestures roundabout, it might be 2-3 more or 2-3 less. In 18 years, not a single one is arrested. The whole country hears the personal cases, which includes about 100 Indian entities, high profile, or more than 100. That these are personal cases around myself.